Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now by forcing a restart. This clears transient freezes without data loss. Hold power and appropriate volume button for 10-20 seconds until the screen goes black, then release. Once the device restarts, make sure to remove any case or accessories and unplug chargers. They can interfere. If the battery is low, plug into a known good charger and wait a few minutes. Power instability often causes hung lock screens. If the screen still won't respond, proceed to recovery steps. Once you can't rely on a normal restart, boot to safe mode or the recovery menu using the manufacturer's key combination. This prevents third-party apps from loading. In safe mode, uninstall the most recent apps or updates added just before the freeze. These often cause conflicts. If you access recovery, choose Clear Cache Partition to remove temporary system files without deleting personal data. These steps isolate software causes and often restore a responsive lock screen. If they fail, prepare for a deeper reset. You now move to a full restore only after backing up. Connect to a computer or cloud and copy photos, contacts, and settings. Perform a factory reset from recovery or use the vendor's desktop firmware tool to reinstall the OS. This removes stubborn software corruption. Once the device is restored, set up and verify the lock screen. Troubleshooting tip: if the reset doesn't fix it, suspect hardware, screen digitizer, or motherboard faults, and contact
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.